Hello, my dear baking enthusiasts. Today, we're going on a scrum-diddly-umptious adventure. Ever wondered how that creamy, chocolatey goodness ends up in your freezer? Well, put on your imaginary hairnets and get ready to be amazed. From humble ingredients to frozen delights, we'll uncover the secrets behind these frozen treats. We'll witness firsthand the transformation from simple milk and sugar to the irresistible chocolate bar ice creams we all know and love. So, are you ready for a behind-the-scenes tour? Let's get started! Buckle up because things are about to get very delicious. Every good treat starts with a recipe, and chocolate bar ice cream is no exception. Our journey begins with the heart of the operation, the ingredients. We need the freshest milk, pure cream, fine sugar, and a touch of magic. Oh, and let's not forget the star of the show, chocolate. These simple ingredients are the building blocks of our frozen masterpiece. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the perfect texture and flavor. The quality of these ingredients is paramount. We only use the best to ensure a delightful experience in every bite. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, let's move on to the next exciting stage. Before we get to the fun part, we need to ensure everything is squeaky clean and perfectly blended. That's where pasteurization and homogenization come in. Don't let the long words scare you. They're just fancy terms for important steps. Pasteurization is like giving the milk a warm bath to eliminate any unwanted bacteria. It ensures our ice cream is safe and healthy. Next up, homogenization. This step is like a magic blender. It breaks down fat molecules in the milk, creating a smooth and consistent texture. No one wants a chunky ice cream, right? Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the chocolate. This is where the magic truly begins. We carefully select the finest cocoa beans, roasted to perfection. These beans are then ground into a rich and velvety chocolate liquor, ready to transform our ice cream base. The chocolate liquor is gently heated and blended into the creamy base, infusing it with that irresistible chocolatey goodness. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. The type of chocolate we use can vary. We might go for a classic milk chocolate, a decadent dark chocolate, or even a playful white chocolate. Each variety brings its own unique character to the final product. Section 5. Churning and freezing. The magic happens. With our chocolatey mixture ready, it's time to churn and freeze. This is where the transformation from liquid to the beloved frozen treat takes place. The mixture is poured into massive churning machines that resemble giant whisks. As the churning begins, air is incorporated, creating a light and airy texture. Simultaneously, the mixture is gradually cooled down, transforming it into a smooth and creamy ice cream. The temperature is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect consistency. Too cold, and it becomes icy. Too warm, and it remains a soupy mess. It's a delicate dance of temperature and timing. Section 6. Shaping the Choco Dream. Now that we have a glorious vat of chocolate ice cream, it's time to give it the iconic bar shape. The freshly churned ice cream is piped into molds resembling long trays with individual bar compartments. These molds are designed to create the perfect bar shape with those signature ridges that everyone loves. Once filled, the molds are sent through a special freezing tunnel. This rapid freezing process ensures that the ice cream maintains its shape and texture. Section 7. The Chocolate Shell Surprise. What's a chocolate bar ice cream without that satisfying crack of a chocolate shell? Our frozen bars take a dip in a luxurious bath of melted chocolate. This coating isn't just for decoration. It provides a delightful texture contrast and an extra burst of chocolatey flavor. The temperature of the chocolate is crucial. It needs to be warm enough to coat the bars evenly, but cool enough to solidify quickly, creating that signature snap. We often experiment with different types of chocolate for the coating. Sometimes we even add a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a drizzle of white chocolate for an extra touch of indulgence. Freshly coated bars need a little time to chill out. Literally, they take a final trip to the freezer, this time to harden the chocolate shell and ensure the ice cream is perfectly set. This final freezing also allows the flavors to fully meld. It's like a slumber party for ice cream bars. Section 9. Dress to impress. wrapping the bars. Ice cream bars, all chilled and ready, need their final touch, their stylish wrappers. Automated machines swiftly wrap each bar, ensuring they're protected and looking their best. Each wrapper is brightly colored, showcasing the brand and flavor with tempting images. The wrapper not only keeps the ice cream safe from freezer burn, but also provides important information about the product, like ingredients and nutritional facts. Our perfectly wrapped chocolate bar. Ice creams are ready for their grand adventure to reach your freezer. They're carefully packed into boxes. These boxes are then loaded onto refrigerated trucks. These trucks maintain the ideal temperature to keep the ice cream frozen solid during transport. Finally, they are delivered to supermarkets and shops, ready for you to pick your favorite. Section 11. A symphony of flavors and craftsmanship. From humble ingredients to the final wrapped product, we've witnessed the incredible journey of how chocolate bar ice creams are made. It's a testament to the dedication and passion of everyone involved in the process. Each step, from selecting the finest ingredients to the precision of churning and freezing, plays a crucial role in crafting that perfect bite. It's a symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas, all orchestrated to create a moment of pure indulgence. Section 12. Time to treat yourself. So next time you reach for a chocolate bar ice cream, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. Remember the meticulous process, the dedication to quality, and the passion that goes into every bite. And most importantly, take a moment to savor the deliciousness. Enjoy the perfect blend of creamy ice cream and that satisfying chocolate snap. You've earned it. Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's get started. Subscribing is super simple. Just click the red button below. All done? Awesome! And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell your friends. See you in the next one. Bye!